Alright guys, today we just got a little quick tool haul. What I picked up was the Pittsburgh locking wing dividers. I got the 6-inch and I got the 12-inch. We're going to be using them to lay out the motor mount holes for the golf cart engine. But picked up both of these, and the pair of them was under like 15 bucks. So they look pretty heavy duty. They're pretty thick, and if you look on them, they do have a place you can put a pencil in it. So if you want to use it to draw, pencil, pen, marker, whatever you want. If you want to use it to draw circles or whatever, they do have nice sharp points on them down here. So the so that's what we got. We'll bring you back and after we use them and lay out those motor mounts.